Mining is producing the materials that we need to live our everyday life.
From your car, the asphalt that we drive on, to your cell phone, the glasses on your face, products in your home, all of those come from a mine.
Mining is inevitable. You can either fight it or you can be part of the solution and step up.
There aren't a whole lot of jobs out there where you can be outside and enjoy the wildlife and still make a valuable product that people use. We're one of the most highly regulated industries. Baked into our plan is how the land is intended to be used after we're done.
We want to make sure that we can put the land back to a good use, back to the way it was before mining. We put our heart and soul into the reclamation. What we do, it means a lot to us.
When I graduated from college, I wanted to save the world, but I didn't know how I wanted to do it. If you would have asked me if I thought mining was a way to do that, I probably would have thought you were crazy.
There's a lot of pride in doing what we do. It's a craft.
Some roads are smooth and some are bumpy.
And I'm very proud of each and every person that I work with because they can do amazing things.
Here I am, saving the world, working for a mining company. That's a really proud place to be.
I've never had a boring day on the job. It's always something new, something challenging.
We need to win the confidence of the people that we can do this safely with respect to the environment, because this is our backyard. We care about where we work.
I am a miner.
I'm a miner.
I am a miner.
I am a miner.
A miner.
A miner.
A miner.
We know how to do this.